Asking for discount at clothing store.
Welcome to my clothing store. How can I help you?
Hello, I am looking for a dress for myself.
Sure, I can help you. What do you need?
I need a simple and nice dress.
What size do you wear?
I wear medium size.
Okay, we have many medium-sized dresses.
This blue dress looks very nice.
Yes, it is a new arrival.
How much is this dress?
It is $45.
Oh, that is a little expensive.
It is high-quality material.
Can you give me a discount?
I can give you $5 discount.
Can you make it $35?
I can make it $38.
That is still a little high for me.
Okay, final price is $36.
Okay, I agree.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, where is the fitting room?
It is on the right side.
Okay, I will go now.
Take your time.
I am back. It fits well.
It looks very nice on you.
I really like it.
How will you pay?
I will pay by card.
Thank you. Your payment is done.
I am happy with this purchase.
Thank you for shopping here.
Paying a gas bill.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I need to pay my gas bill.
Please show me your bill.
Here is my bill.
Your total amount is $60.
Okay, I will pay now.
Do you want to pay cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Please insert your card.
Okay, I did it.
Now enter your PIN.
I have entered it.
Your payment is processing.
I am waiting.
Payment is successful.
That is good news.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please give me a receipt.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This process is very easy.
Yes, we try to keep it simple.
Your service is very helpful.
Thank you so much.
I am new in this city.
No problem. We help everyone.
That is very nice.
Have a good day.
You too.
Come again if you need help.
I will. Thank you.
Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye and have a nice day. Cooking at home.
Let's cook dinner together.
Yes, that sounds fun.
What should we cook today?
Let's make chicken.
Good idea. Chicken is easy.
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Don't worry, we will cook quickly.
Do we have all ingredients ready?
Yes, we have chicken and vegetables.
That is great.
I will check everything first.
Okay, I will check the vegetables.
I have chicken, oil, and spices.
I have fresh onions and tomatoes.
Perfect. Everything is ready.
I will wash the chicken carefully.
Good. I will prepare the pan.
The kitchen is very clean today.
Yes, we cleaned it earlier.
I will cut the vegetables now.
Be careful with the knife.
Yes, I'm going slowly.
The pan is heating now.
I will add a little oil.
Good. Now add the chicken.
It is sizzling in the pan.
Yes, that sound is nice.
I will stir it slowly.
I will add salt and spices.
It already smells very good.
Yes, cooking chicken is simple.
Let's check if it is cooked well.
Yes, we should check it carefully.
The chicken looks almost ready.
I will cook it for a few more minutes.
I am getting very hungry now.
Don't worry, it will be ready soon.
The color looks perfect now.
Yes, it is fully cooked.
Let's turn off the stove.
Good, dinner is ready now.
Let's serve it on plates.
Yes, nice teamwork today.
The chicken looks delicious.
Let's sit and eat together.
Yes, I really like this moment.
This homemade chicken is very tasty.
Yes, I love your cooking. At the swimming pool.
This swimming pool looks very clean.
Yes, it is very big and nice.
Do you come here often?
No, I come sometimes.
I come here every weekend.
That is nice.
Let's go and change clothes.
Okay, I will go to the changing room.
I will meet you inside.
Okay, see you there.
Be careful, the floor is wet.
Yes, I will be careful.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go into the water.
Oh, the water is cold.
Yes, but it will be okay.
Now it feels better.
Let's swim slowly.
Okay, I will follow you.
Can you float in water?
I will try.
Good. You are doing well.
Thank you for helping me.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I really like it.
Let's take a short rest.
Yes, good idea.
Drink some water.
Thank you very much.
This is a fun day.
Yes, I am enjoying it.
We should come here again.
Yes, I agree with you.
Currency exchange in the city.
I need to exchange my money.
Welcome. What currency do you have?
I have US dollars.
How much do you want to exchange?
I want to exchange $500.
Okay. Today's rate is good.
Is there any service fee?
Yes. A small fee is $5.
Okay, that is fine.
Please give me your money.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Okay, I will wait.
Do you need small notes?
Yes, small notes, please.
Okay, I will arrange it.
Thank you very much.
Your calculation is ready.
How much will I get?
You will get your full amount in pounds.
That is helpful.
Please check your money.
I am checking it now.
Is everything correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Please sign here.
Okay, I will sign.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Your service is very good.
Have a safe trip.
I will come again if needed.
You are always welcome.